Guys, I wanted to show you my kinetic sand that I bought yesterday. Let me take it out. It's in a little sandbox that it came with. So, this is the little sandbox. I wanted just to share how it feels. This is what it came with. I have some more. It's really soft. Let me do a little close up. It's really soft. You don't even have to smush it. So I'm going to do a form and show you how soft it is. You don't even have to struggle. And parents, whoever is watching this, if your kid drops some of this on the floor, you could either vacuum it or pick it up. It's really easy to clean up. It's way better than real sand because it's really soft and it's really easy to clean up. And regular sand, it's actually not that easy to clean up. So here, I filled it up. I'm gonna hook it. Just take it out really carefully. So this is how it turns out. It's really, really soft. So I'm gonna smush it and show you how soft it is. Ready? If you don't have kinetic sand, don't worry. I'm just giving you a little look how kinetic sand feels and how it is. It's really soft. I'm gonna make the little crab form now. I hope guys you are liking this video. And make sure to give it a huge thumbs up if you like it. And subscribe and write and comment down below if you have kinetic sand. And tell me, is it different or not? I will love that. So this is how the little crab looks like. And you could actually pick it up. But you will kind of ruin these little thingies. But I'm going to show you how soft it is. It's really, really soft. And if you really want to play with your toys in kinetic sand, just be really careful or ask a parent to tell and ask if you could play with your toys in there, because sometimes when you put your LOL dolls in there, then don't put them on the floor. Make sure to wash them because sometimes sand gets on their shoes like this. Let me scrub it a little. Like that. And then you put it somewhere and then yeah. So let me show you these little LOL dolls up close. They have blue eyes. I made him a little girlfriend because they kind of look the same. They have the same colors, not like all the same. I'll give you a little twist. And please ask an adult to help you to open this kinetic sand because you have to open it with scissors. People under 5, please, or kids, please do not open it by yourself. Please have an adult. It's pretty cool because kinetic sand doesn't stick that much. It only sticks a little. But still, please wash your LOL dolls after this. And kinetic sand actually holds really tight if you bury whatever you are holding. So, see? You have to still hold it a little, but it actually holds it. See? It holds it. It's really cool. Or not cool. And this is, I actually made this little mother. It's actually a bloom doll. They kind of look the same. So I kind of make them that mother. And the bloom doll, if you never got a bloom doll, this bloom doll is already on the channel. And you could check out that video. And make sure to subscribe so you'll be the first one to see that video. Bye. Da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na, da-na-na, da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-dun, da-na-na-dun, da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na-na. Dun 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 dun. Na 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 na. If you like that song in the background, make sure to subscribe or click that bell. Kids, it's time to go home. But mommy, we want to keep staring at the stars. Sweetheart, it's not night. Well, it is. See? Night is gonna be in just a moment, alright? Aw, I guess not. So bad to sad. I am kind of sleepy though. Oh, you're still recording. That's kind of awkward. Well, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to click that bell and give us a huge fat like. So, bye! Meow cutie! What? I'm sleeping. Okay, meow kitty, it's time to go. Just a moment. Okay, I guess I'll sleep. Oh, kids. I'll just cover myself with the wig. Okay, seriously, kids, come on. Okay, just a moment. I'm just gonna go. Bye now. Bye. Kisses and hugs. What's that? Where's that turn off button again?